Ever wondered how you can harness the power of chia seeds for your skin? These tiny nutrient-rich gems come from the Salvia hispanica plant, a relative of mint. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and various micronutrients, chia seeds are a boon for your skin. And the best part? Creating skincare products with chia seeds at home is a cinch. It's a fun and easy way to tap into their nourishing properties. Ready to dive into the world of DIY skincare? Here's a simple recipe for a chia seed facial scrub. To craft your chia seed facial scrub, you'll need a few simple ingredients. Begin with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and 1 tablespoon of coconut or olive oil. For those who enjoy a hint of fragrance, a few drops of essential oil such as lavender or tea tree oil can be a delightful addition. Firstly, grind the chia seeds into a fine powder. This not only allows for smooth application, but also ensures gentle exfoliation. Next, combine the ground chia seeds, oatmeal, honey, and oil in a small bowl. Stir this mixture well until it forms a thick, paste-like consistency. For those who wish to personalize their scrub, add more honey or coconut oil for a smoother texture, or increase the oatmeal for extra exfoliation. Now, let's get scrubbing. Gently massage the mixture onto your damp skin, using circular motions. Be sure to focus on areas that need a little extra exfoliation or nourishment, but remember to avoid the delicate eye area. After a few minutes, rinse off the scrub with lukewarm water, pat your skin dry, and follow up with your favorite moisturizer or serum. In case there's any scrub left over, store it in an airtight container and use it within a week for the best results. And there you have it, a homemade chia seed facial scrub, ready to nourish your skin. Not only is this scrub easy to make, but it's packed with benefits for your skin. This homemade chia seed facial scrub is a gentle exfoliant, sweeping away dead skin cells and impurities. The chia seeds and oatmeal work in tandem, soothing and nourishing your skin. Honey, with its antibacterial properties, helps to keep your skin clean and also aids in retaining moisture. The coconut oil adds an extra layer of hydration, giving your skin a healthy glow. Once you've made your scrub, be sure to store any leftovers in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Because this is a homemade product without preservatives, it's best to use it within a week to enjoy its optimal benefits. With this chia seed facial scrub, you're just a step away from glowing, nourished skin. Give it a try and let your skin soak up the goodness of chia seeds. Share your thoughts on today's video, subscribe for more interesting topics. Thanks for watching.